Welcome to Solverify, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Linear momentum about origin will be g equals to summation of mi multiplied by omega cross ri. Okay, so now substituting values, we get m omega multiplied by b I cap minus b j cap plus 0. This is r vector. Okay, so from here we get g equals to m omega b I cap minus j cap. Okay, this is the linear momentum about origin. So now the magnitude of linear momentum g vector cap, this will be equals to m omega b square plus m omega b square. Okay, so from here magnitude of linear momentum g comes out to be root 2 m b omega. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. Okay, so this will be the magnitude of the linear momentum about origin. So now next we will determine the magnitude of angular momentum h naught. So the shaft rotate about z axis at the rate omega, so we can write that omega x equals to omega y, this is equals to 0, and omega z is equals to omega. Okay, so now the angular momentum about origin, this will be equals to h naught, and it will be equals to ixx omega x minus ixy omega y minus ixz omega z I cap plus minus iyx omega x plus iyy omega y minus iyz omega z j cap and plus minus izx omega x minus izy omega y plus izz omega z k cap. Okay, so now in this equation, this omega x omega y and omega x omega y, this is equals to 0. So this term, this and this term will equals to 0. So there will be some terms, the remaining term for the angular momentum about point origin will be equals to minus izx omega z, that is omega. So minus, we can take this omega z common, so this will be equals to minus I zy or yz j cap plus izz omega z omega. Okay, so this will be the linear momentum. Okay, so this here is I cap and k cap, so I cap and here is k cap. Okay, so now the moment of inertia of the given geometry about x z axis, this will be equals to summation of mi xi zi. So this will be equals to mb multiplied by b plus 0 plus 0, so this is equals to mb square, and moment of inertia about yz axis, this will be equals to summation of mi yi zi, and it will be equals to m multiplied by b multiplied by 2b plus 0, and it equals to 2mb square. Similarly, moment of inertia of the moment of inertia about z axis, this will be equals to summation of mi xi plus yi square. Okay, so it will be equals to m b square plus b square, so it will be equals to 2mb square. Okay, so now substituting these values in the previous equation of angular momentum, so we will get that h naught vector equals to minus mb square I cap minus 2mb square j cap plus 2mb square k cap multiplied by omega. Okay, so now from here, after solving, we get h naught vector equals to minus mb square omega I cap minus 2mb square omega plus 2m b square omega. Okay, this is in the j cap and this is in the k cap. So the magnitude of the angular momentum h naught vector, this will be equals to under root of minus mb square omega whole square. Okay, minus mb square omega whole square plus minus 2mb square omega whole square plus 2mb square omega whole square. So from here, after solving, magnitude of angular momentum h naught vector comes out to be 3m b square omega. Okay, so this is the answer for the magnitude of the angular momentum about origin. Okay.